Greetings, MTM students!
We are here to talk to you about this upcoming Spirit Week.
Some information you might want to remember is Spirit Week starts Monday, December 12th and ends Friday, December 16th.
The special things that are going to happen during this Spirit Week are dressing up and having a very nice time.
Starting with Monday, Holiday Pajama Day. Wear your favorite holiday themed PJ.
Next is Tuesday, Meme Day. Dress up as one of your favorite memes, maybe from Vine or anywhere else. Remember to keep it school appropriate.
Then on Wednesday, we have Ugly Sweater Day. Wear a warm, cozy sweater for the holidays. It better not be pretty. Thursday is UK Drip Day, so wear your freshest outfits. UK stands for United Kingdom, so you can Google UK Drip for some fun ideas.
Tea and crumpets.
And finally, Santa's Workshop. Dress up like Santa, Mrs. Claus, one of their elves, a reindeer, a Christmas tree? I think you get the idea.
This is on the same day as the December Pack Party, aka Friday.
Thank you to all the teachers who showed this video. We are grateful to you
at the school. MTM signing out.